All right, guys, so this is a very exciting day for iPhone and iOS users because I have got the iOS 16 Developer Beta 1 here in hand. Didn't get much time to see the keynote because I was too busy working, but I did get to see some of the key features and things that we can expect to see with this, including the lock screen widgets. I think they call it the activity tracker or something like that. Changes to the messages, how you can delete and edit the messages on the go. So, yeah, I'm really excited to see what this thing can do. Sorry if I'm kind of stumbling all over the place because I didn't write much of a script for this. This is just kind of an impromptu video. Just wanted to show you guys what I've got. So, this is installed. Let's go ahead and swipe up and see. Oh, dang, I put in my password. All right, hold on. All right, so software update complete. Here you go. Your phone has been updated to iOS 16. And that's it. That's it. All right, so let's take a look around, see what we got. You got the new search. Oh, wow. I mean, for a developer beta, that is actually really, really fast. And for those who are still doubting me, well, you don't have iOS 16. I came to this late. There you go. Updated to iOS 16. All right, so taking a first look around, nothing looks too different besides the little thing here at the bottom. You can search. I wonder what happens if I just, so I can still pull down the search. Oh, Siri to Jackson, yeah. All right, that's kind of cool. We got the maps, has a redesigned look. And if I lock the screen, no widgets. Oh, the font on here is bigger. Okay, face is too far away because it's trying to read my face. But let me go ahead and do that. So the font on there is a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can see right off the bat. What happens if I open up messages? I'm going to get a new splash screen for my messages. Nope, nothing new. Okay, so right off the bat, not a whole lot of newness to this, but yeah, I'm going to be making more videos on this pretty soon. This is just, like I said, a quick impromptu video just to see if there's anything special upon accessing it for the first time. Obviously that there's not, but yeah, pretty zippy so far. If you guys haven't done so already, be sure to follow the Serious Man. Follow me on social media because I'm going to be making videos and content about this. And thanks for watching. See you then. See you later. Peace.